Sir, this growth in aviation sector is 20%. It is at been.
Yeah, 20 plus.
So, what growth that you expect for this fiscal in aviation sector?
About 20% or more. You see, because the past 2 years, passenger traffic has been going up like that, at that level. We are the largest growing in the world now. China is growing at something like 10-11%. So we are the largest growing. Number of aircrafts are going up. Then we are concentrating on rural connectivity. We have this Udaan thing going throughout the country. Now that is likely to start in January, February. So new destinations will come in. Probably the low-hanging fruit will be the non-performing assets like airports where there is no connectivity. So we have about 30 of those airports. So I envisage about 10-12 will bounce back. Then we want to put in on a demand-driven type of thing, market-driven type of thing. We want to put in another 50 airports throughout the country. So if these come, as and when they get grounded and become active, Government of India has thought that where airports are coming within 150 kilometers of an existing airport, the airport operator who is running the airport, because this divides the business and it makes infrastructure unviable. So we need to keep that also in mind. So where there are civil enclaves like you have in Goa, Visakhapatnam, Pune, AAI for putting these enclaves will not charge a compensation. Rest of the places they will charge a compensation.
Dabolim will continue.
That's left to the locals, I would say.
It is not civil aviation.
We take the decision, but we will depend on the locals.
State government has continuously said that after Mopa coming also Dabolim will remain.
It's okay. If they want it to remain, it will remain. You see, this is infrastructure that is already there.
So it is in the hand of the state government.
I would say Government of India will be guided by the state government in this regard.
Okay.